and welcome to another week of Washi Wednesday. I am keeping with my summer theme. We're rolling into June. I really want to go with this washi from a company called Paper Echoes. It's like this honeycomb bee yellow. It's just really cool washi, and I'm vibing this today. And I have a sticker sheet that I just got from Every Minute a Story that also has this sort of honey and bee, and you know, I'm feeling that. And I also have this washi. It's just scotch. It's just scotch washi, but it has this cool pattern. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but I think it could work for what we're trying to do today. So I'm going to pick these, and we're going to go with this sticker sheet from Every Minute a Story. We're going to rock out with one of our yellows, and I have a brown, and I have some dots, our dotted marker. So let's open up to a blank page and get started. As you see, I have my little, and this is actually works on both sides. It's a cute little bumblebee. And we are going to use this today. This. And let's just see what we come up with.